Hello, everyone. It's me, Microwave Enthusiast. And this here is an Emerson Microwave. There's nothing all too special about it. And it's not all that beautiful. It's seen a lot of use though, and it does still get the job done. As you can see, there's pizza rolls inside. They have not been cooked yet, but I'll be recording them being cooked. It's semi-clean on the inside. She's real dirty. She does get cleaned regularly though. Now we're going to cook these pizza rolls thoroughly. Now she doesn't cook them quick, so there's going to be 4 minutes of time. She spins beautifully, doesn't she? You can tell that she's very experienced in this field. Sometimes she can get really loud, as you can hear her noises. She's starting to get loud now. While you wait these last 2 minutes, you can see that her handle is actually broken. I don't know how that happened. We recently moved though, so it probably happened during the move. It's real dirty, real whatever. She used to be a real beautiful microwave once. I miss those days. But at least she can still get the job done, right? I can barely see inside, so you know there's smoke going on in there. It takes 4 minutes for her to fully cook good pizza rolls. In this final minute, she's starting to reach her climax. She's almost finished. I remember when we first got her from the store. She was all beautiful and pristine, a real classy lady. And now she's reduced to just this. I miss her old days. She doesn't clean nearly as good well as my dream microwave, Neo Chef. Well, she's almost done. She doesn't finish the second you open that door with the beeping. As you can see, all of these pizza rolls are well cooked. There's smoke coming out of her. Just get a good look at her. Real dirty. Look at her light. She's real beautiful, ain't she? That does it for this microwave enthusiast video. Please like and subscribe if you also like microwaves.